Welcome to Diamond Art with Lily. Let's dive in and see what sparkly creations we create today. So grab your pens, get your drills, and let's get started. And in today's video we're going to be back with the Disney 100 collection. I've pre-selected some stickers, one which we'll do today, and the others I'm going to leave for you to choose what we do next week. So I've got Sully from Monsters Inc. We've got Minnie Mouse, we've got Lady and the Tramp, and we've got Captain America. So yeah, so one I'm going to do today, which I'll pick, and then if you've got any favourites, you can put it in the comments and choose who you want to see me do next. If nobody picks, I will just randomly choose one and we will do that one. So today we're going to do Lady and the Tramp. I'll put these three over here. So let me just get set up and put them in the book and I will come back to you.